everybody, it's Tracy again. This is my fourth and final video for today. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to share with you my goodies that I got from Cricut, the spring cleaning bundles. This is the number 4 one that I treated myself to. My husband, I don't know. But anyways, I got the Cricut maker for Christmas, so I must have been really good. So I thought I needed to, add to it. So, but I couldn't decide which spring cleaning kit to get, so I just bought all 4 of them. Why not, right? So, the first thing in here is paper. And then there's lots and lots of vinyl in here. This one is the holographic sparkle vinyl. And I think it's just the red, but it's super, super pretty. And I like using the holographic vinyl. That one I can figure out. Glitter vinyl, not so much. Foil, no. Was it foil? Yeah, I can't figure that one out. This is permanent glossy vinyl, red. No, there's 6 sheets in here. It's the bright sampler, 6 12 by 12 sheets. So there's right there shows the different colors, which is good because I have some old vinyl from when the Expression came out, and it's not so good. It works, but it's not that great. This one is permanent glossy premium vinyl, the maize yellow. And I have some like that. Like I said, it's old though, and so it works when it wants to. It's not that great. I lied. I got the marvels. I was telling my husband about it earlier. He's doing the video in today. Permanent glossy premium vinyl. This is the basics, and there's 6 12 by 12 sheets, and there's the colors there. So we have 2 grandkids, a 6-year-old girl and a 2-year-old boy, so we got to have equal stuff, right? Removable matte turquoise 12 by 48 inch, and I'm kind of into the turquoise lately, so he'll be lucky if he gets any of that. I don't think he's into marbles right now, but we'll see. Permanent glossy tomato red 12 by 48 there, and then permanent glossy brilliant premium vinyl black. We all know what black looks like, right? And then I got some more Cricut pens, the glitter gel brights pens, and it's really cool. The gold ones, I have 2 sets, but they have the different tips on them, different color tips size tips on them. So I'm excited about that, to get some glitter pens. This is the Avengers. Oh, it has girls in there too. I guess I should know what I'm buying, right? Marvel Avengers cardstock, super patterns on heavyweight paper. So there's 12 sheets, 2 sheets of each pattern, and there's the patterns there. So I needed ideas what to make for my grandkids, guys. And then this one is the Disney Princess Magical Deluxe paper. And there is 12 sheets, 2 of each of those. There. And then Mickey Mouse. 12 sheets, 2 of each. And there's those. So that was all my spring cleaning bundles from Cricut Crafts, and I got these awesome little cuties. I got this one as an extra. Yay. I knew about the other 3. None of them came broken, and no, Teresa, you can't have my cuties. Buy your own. So thanks for subscribing, stopping by, and have a fabulous evening. Bye, guys.